So, you've just moved into your new home, and you've discovered that your builder has installed the Rainbird RC2 Wi-Fi controller for managing your landscape's irrigation. Setup of this controller is easy, and through your mobile device offers an efficient user experience for managing your landscape's irrigation system. To set up your RC2 controller and connect it to your mobile device, you'll first need to download the Rainbird mobile app, which is available in both the App Store and Google Play. Once you have downloaded the Rainbird mobile app, go directly to your irrigation controller and hold down the button in the top right corner with the Wi-Fi symbol until it turns orange and then flashing blue. This will put the controller in a pairing mode. And don't worry, this is not a hard reset of the controller and will not erase any current irrigation schedules that may be in the controller. Go ahead and open the Rainbird mobile app. In the bottom left corner, you'll find Add Controller. Now, select the proper controller model, RC2. The mobile app will ask you to please verify that this light is indeed flashing blue, which we have done. In the next menu, you will then see your Rainbird controller as a pairable Bluetooth device. Go ahead and select it. And you can now give this controller a unique name if you so desire. Tap Next in the top right corner. You will then enter the zip code in which this controller is located. And tap Next. You will now set up a unique password for accessing this controller. And tap Next again. Now, the app is asking you if you are ready to connect this controller to your local Wi-Fi network. Once set up, this will allow you to access your controller from anywhere in the world. Go ahead and tap Yes. You will then be presented with a list of compatible Wi-Fi networks in your area. Go ahead and select your home's Wi-Fi network and enter the appropriate Wi-Fi password. And tap Next. If done correctly, your controller will then connect to your home's Wi-Fi network. This step may take a few minutes. Once a successful connection is made, the Rainbird app will then recommend that you send yourself a backup via email. This is in case your mobile device becomes lost or damaged. This can be done now or at a later time in the app. We will skip this step for now. Congratulations! You have now successfully connected your RC2 controller to your home's Wi-Fi network. The final step of the setup process is to send a schedule to your irrigation controller. This step was most likely already done by your landscape installer. Go ahead and tap Done in the top right corner. You will now be brought to the Rainbird mobile app's home menu, where you can either remove this controller from your app, share mobile access to your controller with your landscape service provider, manually run an irrigation program or station, or by tapping the pencil, access your controller remotely to make changes. From here, you can access and make changes to your controller settings. But by tapping the pencil again, you can make changes to your irrigation schedules. From here, you can make changes to your irrigation watering days, your station run times, as well as your program start times. After making any changes, tap Done in the top right corner to save these changes to your controller. And by tapping back, you can return to the app's home menu. For additional support in setting up your Wi-Fi controller, or if you just want to learn more about your controller's capabilities, please visit wifi.rainbird.com.